This is Chris and I'm here at Adam's place with a very old welder, about 70 to 80 years old, made by ASEA Electric of London, and it's got a 9 kilowatt 3-phase motor driving a DC generator which produces from 20 to 300 amps, and tonight we're going to test it out and see how it welds. So let's start it up. So it's on 200 amps at the moment, and these are, I think, 5mm rods, and it burnt a hole in this material that's about 8mm thick. So when it cools down in a moment, we'll chip it and see what the weld looks like.
Okay. I think you can do that. Okay.
So what kind of rods are these?
That's
7024.
Yes.
I'm not sure what that is, but
we shall find it at Google.
Haven't got the settings quite right yet, but it does weld for sure.